The shell-breaking project explores new natural systems to address changes. Industrial activities have driven natural objects to evolve periostracum against pollution. Humanity has conducted extensive experiments, and this is the first natural object, seashells, with complete research results. Pollution particles settle on the surface of the periostracum of natural objects, forming another shell. This sediment cleaning method has yielded research results, and factories have been established for production. The liquid storage tank below prepares reagents, divided into cleaning and maintenance agents. Tested data is transmitted via wires to large-scale production equipment, with real-time composition monitoring on the screen. The prepared liquid is transported through pipelines and stored underground. Regularly removing sediments absorbed by natural objects and maintaining the periostracum ensures stable protection. The mechanical system extracts reagents from underground and equips work vehicles to perform this task. Uncontaminated land is scarce, and land-dependent animals are farmed intensively. Purified soil is gathered to form a vertical pasture that grows upward. In the polluted wilderness, this system maximizes the use of remaining plants, builds around them, and relies on solar energy. The metal components in the middle of the device supply food and monitor the environment. It serves as a key skeleton for vertical growth, enabling continued upward development. The vertical pasture system uses the shell-breaking project research on the periostracum's ability to absorb pollution, processing farming pollutants, and discharging them to the central trees through pipelines. In this way, humans can actively utilize this change in nature, centrally treat pollutants, and also reduce the scope of environmental pollution. Factory-assembled vehicles regularly clean sediment and maintain the tree's periostracum, creating a sustainable cycle. Rising sea levels and ocean pollution threaten land and water for agriculture, driving the rapid expansion of a vast ocean-based agricultural system. This device uses soilless cultivation and water purification system. The tank below stores purified water for plant growth. Connected pipes circulate water between devices. This has created a floating farm built on cities submerged by rising sea levels.